Chair.
You want to say something?
I think, Chair, Honorable Onyonka is a very experienced politician, but on issues dealing with the law, he can get it absolutely wrong. I think
Council, I would like, Chair, I would like, if Honorable Council thinks I'm not able to understand the law, to bring a substantive motion to this committee. We discuss that first before you can interrogate. What I am saying, Chair, I am here trying
Chair,
to...
you gave me the floor. I have not finished.
Just a minute. It's because you were talking about my character. I would like to state it very clearly, Chair. I'm trying to get information that can make me make intelligent decisions.
So, Omogeni.
Yes.
Withdraw the statements.
Yes. You see, if you gave that young man a chance to explain and you follow his submissions, what is calling obiter dictum in law is a statement that is made by a judge in passing. What is telling you, a ratio descendandi is the final holding of a judgment. Is where you find it says, I have now ordered. Okay? And the young man is telling you, if you are able to follow, that he has annexed before us at page 235, which I think is the right thing to do, a petition that has been filed by Honorable Okero challenging his removal as Speaker. And he's telling you that if you look at those pleadings, Honorable Onyonka, the court is yet to pronounce itself on the impeachment. So he's trying to tell us that two processes took place. One, if I heard you, Counsel, correct, one was a suspension. Another one was an impeachment. And what you are telling us is that the issue of suspension was dealt with, contempt proceedings found, and the court said, come, apologize, and it was closed.
Correct.
Now, what is pending, and where you need to help us, is the proceedings that are meant to set aside the proceedings that happened on the 24th of October.
Yes, that now will be the document in page number 35, a petition